Yes guys, you hear me well. Maybe one of the most profitable applications we can use on our phones and earn passively while we drive. To be honest, I didn't test it yet on a push bike. Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and interested in this type of content, please consider subscribing. I'm not a financial advisor and all my videos are just for education and entertainment purposes only. Okay, if you try the app on a push bike and it works, please let me know in a comment down below in the comment area. To start with the app, please use the link in the description and the referral code. This is in beta mode. It only works with a referral code for now at least. Considering the AI behind this app, I don't think I exaggerate when I say this app will beat Waze by miles. And the fact that it's made on a crypto reward system paying in Navi is even more attractive, and its potential to grow is huge. You get the rewards as mile for each kilometer you produce, which later on can be exchanged in Navi, which is the crypto coin for the app. Also, you will be able to see all your videos in the cloud and use your phone as a dashcam, because you're not supposed to use your phone in the car anyway, so what better application than this in which you can actually earn some money while using it. The process is very simple. Once downloaded the app, use your phone number, use your email address, set up a password, add a referral, and that's pretty much it. The AI, which is used by the camera, and if you got a good stand, you can put your camera on after you set up your destination, and the AI behind the camera will just analyze the data and will build up a massive database, a live database. So in case you want to go from point A to point B and all of a sudden the roads are busy or blocked, the app will have live data because of the dash cameras which are analyzing the data, and is going to report all those traffic issues in real time. Waze, in case you use Waze and we all of a sudden decide to use Waze, 10 people in the same spot, Waze will tell you that that road is busy, even though it's not analyzing anything, because it's just kind of their AI is based on how many people are using Waze in the same location or on the same road. So if you drive at least the basic average, let's say 500 miles a month, and add at least 20 friends, and I believe everybody's got at least 20 friends and family, you can easily earn up to $5,000 a year just by allowing the app to collect information and sharing the information and the traffic data. Easy busy, isn't it? And you know the drill already. If we pass 200 users, I'm going to give the $100 to one of my random picked up guys. All you have to do is just leave a comment in the comment area with "I joined your referral," and I will randomly select one of you guys once we reach the 200 mark. And I'll bet it will be very quickly, because this is a very good startup and you want to be and get in as fast as possible. So who is behind this app and why should we trust this app? These are just some basic things that I do before I kind of talk about any apps that I'm sharing on my platform or any apps that I'm trying myself. So who are these guys? Funny enough, I'm a Romanian, and Atlas Navi is a Romanian company. Being in my birth country, I didn't know till I did not get into the deep research for the app and who is behind it. But they are for a long time in the market in kind of traffic and analyzing traffic since 1997. All their apps are built around logistics and supply chain transportation. So they do have the knowledge base to be able to build the AI app on the crypto blockchain, to be honest. The application is built on BSC blockchain, and I believe the integration with MetaMask and Trust Wallets is done very easy, and it'll be very easy. And I think the fees are going to be decent when it comes to transfers and everything else. They also have different pre-sales on their websites, and you can join the websites and see. So I'm planning to be part of the pre-sale next time they're offering coins on cheap prices. So get on the app, consider it as early stages of the development as you can, and always make money in the apps when you actually are in those testing phases, in the beta phases, when things are actually coming along. Guys, I hope you find this video useful. Smash the like button and start earning while driving or riding your bike. Let me know if it works. Tell your friends about it, and let's make some side hustle money. Stay safe.